customers want to make sure that get results. They want to make sure that you deliver what's promised. And we make sure that we stand by our diamond certification. That's a very important thing to make sure that customers understand the value of it. We use everything we can to showcase the importance of the program. In this particular piece here, I'm not sure if everybody can see it, but we showcase our journey with the diamond certification by using all the material that are provided, as well as all the material that was produced. And our website showcases the fact that we are proud to be a diamond certified company. Anytime that we receive a phone call, we ask, how did you learn about our company? And when they say a diamond certification booklet or saw you online on Diamond Certified, we know that is a differentiator right there. And that has worked well for us.